In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question. Alright, so this question is very simple, guys. It says if a student got 95% of the questions on a 60 question test correct, how many questions did the student complete correctly? Alright, so guys, 95% means, so it's in fraction. You're going to make use of this fraction button and press alpha window. Okay, so you go to fraction, press 1. So 95% means 95 over 100. Alright, so 95% of the questions on a 60 question test correct. How many questions did the student complete correctly? So 95% of 60 will be, so go this side, a half times 60 over 1. So you press alpha window fraction 1. Alright, so 60 over 1. So that will be all for this question. So we are good to go. Press enter now to get the output or results. 57. Alright, so the correct option to this question is what? 57, option A. So it's as simple as this, guy. This is basically how you can solve questions like this involving percentage. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you're subscribed to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you have learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have explained in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Alright, so let's clear this. Press this clear button. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. This question, you don't need to reset the calculator or store any number because there is no need for it. It's straightforward. Alright, so that's it.